Well, Mo's already told them. We have kittens again. Finally. Yes. Since their old cat abandoned us in Winnipeg. She didn't like working at the shop where we where we had to stay for a few months after we sold out in Winnipeg back in 05. Come on, guys! Come! 06. 05? Back then, anyhow. Who cares? So, anyhow, Mo's patiently waiting. Mo came with me, so she's met them, and within seconds, these guys knew that there were kittens in here, because she told them. Instantly, Mo got all fucking defensive. I had to make a few stops on the way home, and it's like she snapped back into being a mom within minutes. Just see the effect we can hold on her. Hey, kittens! Meow! Well. Meet the new cast members. Meow! Hey, kitty. Meow. Brother and sister. The sister's hyper-masculinized by the looks of it, but they're still pretty young, so you never know. Hey, kittens. Okay, just wait. Ouch, just wait, yes. Okay, Mo wants to welcome you to her family. Okay, you ready for this? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna try and put this so everyone can see, guys. Oh, just wait there. Kittens, yes, kittens. Oh, you guys are just gonna be so happy. Okay, remember, they're just babies though, and they don't know you yet. Oh, come on, give me room, guys. Gotta give me room. Hey. No, get back. Guys, kitties are not gonna come out if you're gonna be like this. They don't know you. Okay. Easy. Okay, kittens don't know you, they're just babies. Oh, yes, kittens, Cindy. Oh, yeah, we couldn't, no puppies for Cindy, but we got kittens, okay? Okay, well, there you guys go, they love you already. Okay, easy, Cindy. Ooh. No. Okay, just wait. Okay, who wants to be the first? Okay. Easy. Get back, you beasts. Okay, I feel a cat hiss coming on. Cindy. Oh, we're gonna have to work on this. Oh, yes. Oh, kittens. Yes, kittens. Okay, no, that's enough now. See, look, you ripped a hole in the kitty litter and everything. Guys, this is not going well. Back in the yard. Everybody in the yard. Keep going. In the yard, please. Get in the yard. Kitty litter everywhere. Get in the yard. I will bring the kittens in. You go in the yard and wait. No, in the yard. Get in the yard. You, Mo. Mo will bring the kittens in. Okay, ready, kittens?